Hello, today we would like to show how you can find your Spotify username. So first of all, make sure that you're at the home section of the application. At the top right corner, go for this gear icon. And in here, you are already able to see the public username of yours. In my case, it's HardReset, or you can view the profile and see it better, just like so, or just over here. There is also the second username, the, unique identifier, should I say, that you can view from the web player of the Spotify. So let's go ahead and open it. In here, you want to go and tap on this gear icon, view account option, that's what you want to tap on. And in here, as you can see, that will be the unique username identifier of yours, just right here at the account overview section. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.